What's up, everyone? How are you? Welcome back. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and welcome back for another sneaker haul and also sneaker invest on why I'm buying this stuff for resale and how much was the profit, and also more tips and tricks along the way. So without further ado, let's go. By the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, because we're giving away a brand new sneaker from Lebron Soldier, including a socks. You have to be subscribed to the channel, follow my Instagram. Rest of the mechanics, follow the link down below. Good luck. This is the second part of the haul from Burlington. The first one is really good one, and this second one is way better because I bought like a double the first one that I pick up from the other store, but same thing that we bought, but different sizes. And one of them are this one. In the first Burlington, they were more cheaper because they were on clearance, but the other one that we went to has the price $79.99. It's not on clearance, but it still have the discount of 50%, so that is $80. I mean, yeah, $79.99 including tax, so somewhere around $80. So minus 50%, so that is somewhere around 40-ish plus tax. So why I'm still investing in this one even though they are off, it's already summer, it's because it is a one of a kind, a premium boots that they could wear it first during the winter, second they could wear it at work, sometimes the work in a field, like they really need some kind of protection, especially these are boots, some working boots, some kind. So all around, it's not just for a winter. And main thing also, Timberland high premium, so it's much more expensive now. $40. I got this one, so just like I said, $40. Still investing on this one. And let's say if we look into eBay, they are somewhere around 130, somewhere around also selling for 147. Not much of a reseller on this one, is particularly on this colorway, because I'm not sure what's with it, but I've been selling a lot of Timberland before, so I'm gonna invest onto it, especially 50%, so $40, and the retail around of Timberland somewhere around 160, 180 different, especially if they have also the boxes. But still in a good condition, still brand new without the box. Good investment. It's just gonna be like a long hold. It will take time. It is really good one to reach. Next one, also point out this one. I got two of this because they are price tag error. So this one is $89.99, so somewhere around 90, and this one is somewhere 80, $79.99 plus tax. So this one is 80 and 90. Not sure what's going on. It's just the same type of Timberland boots with zip, same with the other one that we bought on first Burlington. Main thing is just the same. They were on clearance. On this store that I went to, they're not on clearance, but hey, I'm still buying them before they are not doing some kind of 50%, like way before these things happen. I'm still buying on this 79 or 89 before, because I knew it's profitable. I could still resell them if 79 or 80, yeah, 80 or 90. still reselling them for 130, 140, around that price range. So now that they are more cheaper, like 50% off, 840, hey, I can make more money then, based on the colorway also of these type of Timberland boots, which is the wheat colorway. So as you can see right there, some of them are reselling for 120, 118, 120, 120. Those are brand new. So some are reseller, like, oh, there you go, there's another 160 right there. So it varies from color, and especially this one, this type of particular color and premium boots, it will sell out eventually. Same also with the black ones that I picked up. So you can see right there, some of them are selling for 170, 144 right there. So different sizes and different color has a factor with it, but mainly choosing the right size, especially for bigger size, use them for their work. So somewhere 9-ish, 9.5, go up, or go up. The size is much better, but either way, it's not lifestyle boots, it is also a working boot. So that is a good one for tip for you right there. It's not just because of the weather, it is the functionality that they can use for everyday living or everyday work or something like that. So take note, it's always look into it and functionality, how do they use it. Good tip for you there. Also pick up this one, and this one is $49.99. So this one is the Air Max Tailwind kind of colorway. Is this one Centrop running shoes, that's what they call it. There is some kind small touch of green on the back and also on the outsole. Let's say retail or the comparable value is 135, about price is 49, and then additional 50%, so somewhere around $25. Thing with this one is there's a lot of reseller out there because they pick them up from the same store, Burlington store, not just the same store in different state. Okay, so they are like selling for $49.99, some reselling for $64, $49.99. So almost just the same how much they pick them up, $49.99. Reseller, they keep doing that, especially when they can grab it for way 50 and they're just gonna get the money back at least 30%. It's not the way it is. It is a quick flip. So if I wanted to do a quick flip also 49, I could resell it for $49.99. Then the buyer paid for the taxes, so somewhere around I'm getting profit of 30 to 40-ish after fees. So that's still a good profit if I'm gonna let it go just quickly as the other reseller do. But I'm not gonna quick flip this one. At least I'm gonna make doubling my money. I think I could still resell this somewhere around 90, and I think the color not bad at all also. So what do you think on this one? What do you think also on the boots? So that's all for this update, and also my haul, and also my sneaker invest on Burlington boots and some kind of Air Max Tailwind. So not bad for the profit on this one though. But anyway, if you like more of this haul and sneaker invest on, or boots invest on Burlington, please leave a comment down below. And if you really like it, can you please hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. While doing the giveaway, follow the link below for the rest of the mechanic. And so the winner of the giveaway will be announced in the next vlog. Good luck. So with that being said, Nolasco here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bye-bye. Mag-ingat po kayo.